Okay.
Is my one.
Yan po. Ganyan po ang paggawa ng sushi. Una, kanin. Ipinatong sa seaweed. Sumunod una, ito, vegetarian meat. Sumunod, itlog. Sumunod, pipino at carrot. Ganyan lamang po. Ayan po. Ayan, lalagyan po ng mayonnaise sa ibabaw.
I cannot come.
Alam ma, you open properly. You never open, you never take off the sticker. Ayo.
You never check. Ayo, only mouth, only talking.
Ayo. Yan po. Ganyan po paggawa. Lalagyan ng mayonnaise. At iikutin mula sa kawayang gawa.
Ikutin, also ikutin na.
Yeah, round. Panday ah. You know ikutin ah.
Ikutin, my country is follow.
Round, not follow. Oh, panday oh. You see? Ayan po. Purong sulong. Ayan. At pagdidikitin. Ayan. Hanggang sa kumapit ang seaweed. Maging bilog na mahaba. Very long oh. Very serious the girl ah. Wow. Yan po ang mga katawan. Pamatay.
Shooting me like.
No, shooting yan. Yan po. Makagawa na tayo ng isa. Ito po ay pangalawa.
I think the skin not enough.
You think you go to market and you buy. You buy now. I cannot see properly. Hello Philippines! Mabuhay! Kamusta na po kayo? Miss ko na po kayo. Po si Taba. Mistress is not good word. It's bad word. Okay? Don't say like that. You don't know ah. You know the meaning? Ha? Alam why you talk? You don't know the meaning. What you say? Ayan po. Oh. Ayan, nilagay po ang pipino. Una, carrots, pipino. Depende sa style nyo kung ano yung gusto nyo. Ayan po, nilagyan ng vegetarian, meat vegetarian.
This one not meat vegetarian.
What?
Roast duck vegetarian.
Yeah. Roast duck. Same meat. But roast duck. Ayan po. Pagawa ng nilagyan po ng mayonnaise. Why you never put the peanut? Mas nice ah.
Nice, you see, you feel nice, but Ma'am Susan don't want.
Don't wanna. Ma'am Susan don't wanna.
You made them, then I follow you,
Okay.
You is not my
Round again. Yan po. Yan. Nice. Pinaikot. Yan. Hanggang sa magdikit. Tignan nyo ang katawan. Sumusunod. Bilog na bilog. Ayaw magdikit. Broken. Panday broken. Yan. Ang paggawa ng sushi. Ayan. Yan po. Yan po. Ayan po. Nakagawa na tayo ng pangalawa. Sunod, pangatlo. Okay, mamaya ulit Okay, cut muna, cut ulit.